that person in class that's always turning around, doing 180s, popping their back because there's just a pop that you can't reach. Do this every morning. You're gonna take your elbow, you're gonna put it right here, and you're gonna spread your legs out to where you're kind of pushing on your elbow. You're gonna, with your other hand, reach to your ankle, and then you're gonna twist while pushing your legs out. You're gonna twist and reach for the sky with the hand that's reaching to your ankle. Same thing on the other side. Oh, I know y'all heard that.